Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a vacation prep for my family vacation. We're going to Mexico. So yeah, we're going for 5 days, and I just wanted to show you guys everything that I'm doing the next couple of days before to prepare. I think we should just jump right into that. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see, my vacation pictures and all that fun stuff. So yeah, it's always linked below. The first step in my preparation is getting my hair cut. Oh, frick. Okay guys, I just pulled up to the salon. I'm gonna get some Starbucks and I'm gonna go and get my hair cut, and I will be right back to show you guys. This is my hair. It is, what's today? It's Saturday. I started this video yesterday. I went and got my hair cut. Today we're going to, what are we doing today? Oh yeah, I'm going to look at an apartment right now. That's why I have my makeup done and everything. And then after that, we're going straight to get a manicure. And then we're going shopping. And then I'm gonna be doing my toenails and other kind of grooming stuff at my sister's house. I'll bring you guys along with me. And I'm super excited to see this apartment. Do I look like a little boy? Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. Okay, I'm gonna go get changed so I can leave and get this preparation started. See you guys in a little bit. Bye. Just go like this.
So you want to change or what?
Yeah, it was supposed to be at 1:30. I wanted to change it to 1.
Let me check. Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're at the nail salon. About to go get our nails done. I'm gonna try and vlog in there. Okay, it's gonna be kind of scary. Flowers. Here we go. Liz Nails.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm gonna get my nose and my toenails painted.
Ooh! I just got the red that I always get.
Got a color that I'm not in love with, but it's cute still.
And then we're gonna go buy these nail colors at the store to do our own pedicure at home tonight because we didn't want to pay $100 at the salon. Now we're gonna go grab some food because we're hungry and we need to eat. And Selena gets really hangry. Chick-fil-A is my love. For the next part of the video, we are getting last minute shopping things. So we're gonna be running to Target, the mall, DSW, and things like that to get some last minute things. So yeah, see you later. See you later. See you later. See you later. We're at the mall. Yeah, so keep you guys updated. Which one will she choose? $14.98 at the shoe department. The mall has been a bust so far. Haven't found anything black. We'll keep you updated. Signing out. What's up guys? We're in Target shopping for our toiletries now. I'm gonna show you what my cart looks like. So far I got 2 loofahs, Clorox wipes for the plane, some Summer's Eve wipes, Eric, a shampoo and conditioner, a body wash, some toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, makeup removing wipes, toothbrushes, shaving cream, and my self body wash. Love filming in behind some diapers. Guys, how spot on is that? Nice. All right, it is Sunday morning. I leave for Mexico at 3 a.m. tonight. I need to do, these are the things I still need to do. I need to do my laundry so I can have all of my clothes clean to pack. And then after I have all of my clothes clean, I'm gonna get all my toiletries and everything I want to pack together and then pack it away. And I want to shower and shave and do like, like a full kind of shower thing. So yeah, but it's also Father's Day, so I'm gonna like spend some time with my dad I think we're about to like make breakfast and stuff. It's like, what time is it? I think it's like 11 o'clock right now. My pajamas looking super cute. So I'm gonna go do some laundry and I'll check back in with you guys before I start packing and stuff, and yeah. All right, so this is everything I'm gonna be bringing to Mexico. Oh my god, that's so much stuff. That's all for the toiletries slash makeup slash all that stuff. And then I have all these different bags I can pack it away in, and this is for my jewelry. And then for my carry-on, which I'm gonna be bringing a backpack I don't have right now, but there's my purse I'm bringing. Me and my dad actually made this. And then my Ray-Bans, my passport of course, 2 scrunchies, my wallet with my ID and my money in there, gum, AirPods, Sun Bum, lip balm because it has SPF in it, Midol just in case, Advil just in case, hand lotion from Bath & Body Works, and just a pen. I'm gonna wear these on the plane, my Alexander Wang sweatpants that I just got, and then I have my laptop charging right there, my little tripod thingy, and of course my camera's gonna go in there. I'm gonna bring my off-white slides. I just got these yesterday. My heels that I always wear. These are just crappy workout shoes that I'm gonna bring, and I'm also gonna bring Air Force Ones. I have 1, 2, 3 dinner dresses. My grandma gave me 3 like silky like scarf bandana things that I can wear as tops. This silky sort of top from Abercrombie & Fitch. The top is from Urban Outfitters, Princess Polly, and then a few black shirts. And then I brought 2 belts. And then I have these shorts from Princess Polly. They're beach shorts. These just, you know, comfy black shorts. And then these beautiful denim shorts that I just got. And then, is that it? Okay, yeah, that's it. Oh wait, let me turn my music off. Low-key was worried that all of that wasn't gonna fit in there, but it did. Okay, it's like 7 o'clock now. I've just been hanging out with my family because it's Father's Day. Gonna do a face mask and do my eyebrows as like my final kind of things because I'm pretty much ready to go. I have my luggage packed, all of my carry-on stuff ready. I took a shower, I shaved, you know. Yeah. I just want my skin to clear up because I unfortunately picked at it. And now I have all that and that. This Mario Badescu mask. I'm gonna do that. And then, actually, you know what? Before I do this, I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows. When I get my handy dandy iHome little mirror guy, just pluck. Honestly, my eyebrows aren't really bad. Oh, like, brow game, like, I just can't believe I'm gonna be in Mexico in the morning. Like, what? I've literally never left the country, and this is only gonna be my second time on a plane, and I'm 21, so I'm like super cultured and Like, I just like traveling, so yeah. We're done with that, that's fine. Now, mask time. Oh, hello, little baby. Look at Coco. Oh, look at you, Coco Loco. Gonna go ahead and put that on. Look at her, she's out the window. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm just kidding, Coco, don't bark. Okay. Honey. Honey. It's okay, honey. I need to clip my hair really. I should have done this. Not bad with one hand. I think I got a pretty good coat on. Okay. Now that that's on, I'm probably just gonna watch some TV. I've been watching Queen of the South lately. My sister told me about it and I'm obsessed. Hi. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm obsessed with that, so I'm probably gonna watch like an episode or two of that, eat some dinner, try and sleep for a little bit because we need to be at the airport by 3 a.m. And yeah, I'll probably check back in like one more time and then close out the video. Coco is back. Hi, baby. She might be scared of me. Hello, baby. Do I look weird? What is it? Oh, she wants to look at the window. Who is it, baby? Oh, get him. I'm just kidding, Coco. Don't get him.